New to Nookal and ready to get familiar with your account? Join me on a guided tour to find out where to access key features, tools and resources so that you can hit the ground running. When you first log into your account, you'll land on your dashboard. Your dashboard, depending on your permission levels, will display various stats to help you stay on top of booking levels and performance. Now let's walk through the different areas of your account that are key for setup and daily operations, starting with your diary. Your diary, of course, is where you can book and manage all appointments, classes, events, and notes for any given day or week. I won't go into too much detail in this video, but please keep in mind that there are plenty of viewing options that you can customize to make sure your diary suits your preferences. Next, along the top panel is your clients area. This is where you can locate existing clients using key search fields or create new client profiles. Keep in mind, you can also create a new client profile directly from the diary when booking them in for an appointment. You'll also find a search field here for invoices, which will allow you to quickly look up an invoice using the invoice number. Moving on, we have the contacts area. This is where you'll enter details for any third-party payers or contacts. Anyone you'll either be invoicing or communicating with should have a contact profile here. Next up is reports. Here you'll find a wide range of reports to track key metrics, manage your staff, and monitor your clinic's overall performance. Take your time getting familiar with these, but a few useful ones to highlight include the banking report. This is perfect for end-of-day reconciliation. The aging debt report, so that you can keep an eye on unpaid invoices. The uninvoiced booking report. This is to ensure all bookings have an invoice attached. The activity report. This one's great for tracking all invoiced activity, as well as managing staff commissions. Next up, the clinical note report. Another great report that you can use to ensure that all appointments have a clinical note attached. And the last attendance report, which is great for tracking clients that have no upcoming bookings and maybe re-engaging with those clients. And finally, the business report. This gives you a full overview of key staff performance indicators. All of Nookal's reports come with filters and parameters you can modify, plus options to email, print, or export as a CSV, so you can easily review data and make informed decisions. Next, we'll move to the Manage area of your account. Now, in both the Manage and Setup sections, you'll see all features are listed on the left-hand side as well as on the main screen. This is just for ease of navigation, letting you move through these areas however works best for you. In Manage, you'll find further administration tools to streamline tasks, like the ACC export and bulk invoicing tool, plus our NDIS export and import tools, as well as the option to print and export your diary so that you have a physical copy. Under Clinical, you can create clinical and letter templates for efficiency and consistency, enable any plans or outcome measures that you'd like to use, and create snippets to speed up note and letter writing. Communications is another important area where you can create appointment reminders and recalls, send bulk messages to clients, and create templates for common email and SMS communications. We also offer data import and export tools to simplify these processes. Finally, let's go to the setup area. Here you can set up core components of your clinic, including locations, services, classes, inventory, passes, and staff, as well as your staff's permission levels. You'll also find subscription details here, including your plan, SMS credits and claiming credits for Medicare purposes. And when you're ready to take full advantage of Nookal, you can also enable online bookings, electronic forms, and other advanced features such as client funding, consolidated billing, and Nookal's Innovation Hub, where you can test out new and upcoming features. Under Connections, you'll see all our third-party integrations, allowing you to connect to other platforms directly from Nookal, including integrations like Medicare and DVA, Tyro, Zoom Telehealth, and many, many more. Looking at the right-hand side of your account now, you'll notice icons representing several functions. Clicking on any of these lets you access internal mail, tasks, instant staff chat, the waitlist, and the notification center, which includes client replies, forms waiting for approval, and online booking alerts. You can also click on your profile on the top of the page to log out, set up multi-factor authentication, and track your CPD activity. I hope this tour has been helpful. If you do need further support, click the help button at the top right of your account to access our help centre. This is where you'll find help guides on specific topics. You can contact the support team and also start a live chat. For more video resources like this one, scroll down to the bottom of the screen, click on our YouTube channel, where you'll find plenty of video resources that run through more advanced topics, alert you to new and upcoming features, or maybe just tell you about a feature that you might not be aware of. Thanks for watching and have a great day.